Work. In this time I look the people has too much pressure, and when you ask, they tell I have too much work, I have too much heaviness. Always they run for work. I have a work, no time for self for them. They feel always pressure. They are physically weak, mentally weak, inside is weak, many type of disease. You know what? Why? They take a work and like happiness on the back. They don't play the work as like football. They don't play the work as like music. They don't enjoy the work as like swimming. Work is the enjoyment because you are choosing this. Why tension? You say this company I do work, I earn a lot of money and they give too much pressure. Why you choose the pressure? Why you choose the company? For money? Yes. In this time too much happiness carry because you see the work as like money. How much money? You have too much happiness. You are not choosing the work. What is you have quality? Which subject you have interest? You choosing the work because you need a lot of money. Your family want money. This reason you are choosing wrong work and you carry too much happiness on self. And company is waiting for make you talk. You don't know your quality, which quality you have a life. And which quality you have a life, this quality you make a work, this is the never give you happiness. And you are going to flowering, more flowering. And never think you have not living money. You have living a lot of money. Just need patience. Very easy, you work other company. Not easy, make your shoulders is stronger. Your make a shoulders is stronger, need patience and enjoy your work. And only possible when your work is making and like play. Your work and making and like entertainment. You don't take the work as like happiness. Then you are really not given the only help for the self. You given the help for the others because you are dancing with work. You are playing with work, you are enjoying with work, and this your energy start to flowering in around the world. Try to understand you are taking too much heaviness on yourself because you are not interested on this type of work. Then you need to find what is the best work for you, what is the best quality for you inside, and then you start this work with trust and patience. Never forget this. Make a own shoulders is stronger, more make a own leg is stronger. You need patience and trust yourself. You are working in companies, company take your blood because you are very weak, because you have no trust for self, and you kill your life because you are not interested this type of work. This work only you take and do because money, and you think money is solve your problem. It is not possible. Money also part of life energy, part of life energy. It is not a complete energy. A lot of things, a lot of senses is available in our body. A lot of powers available in our body. But we are using the only one sense. Because I am focused on the only one place. In this time, 95 to 98% people only thinking money and sex. They have a mind is filled by only money and sex. They never think others' life. They never think others' intuition. They never think other flowering. This too is the only one part of life. We are forget others all intuition. We are forget others all life because this too energy. Work never give you happiness for you. When you are life, make a work. Work always give your development physical, mental and spiritual. Because you chosen this work by inner quality. You chosen this work by inner soul quality. And when you are work by your soul quality, you are complete on self.